Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia Tablet Z, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the volume section, and just to turn on silent mode on your device you should swipe this white dot to the left side, the music, video games and other media, and automatically you will just turn off the notifications, and that means that now, as can you see here, the silent mode on our device is activated. And if you want to just turn it off, just swipe again back to the right side with your finger this volume panel, and automatically, as can you see, we get enable the notification sounds also. And also we can do it by the second way. Just you should press one from your volume buttons, and here, as can you see, we got just enable the silent mode, and now we can just turn it off. So as can you see, we just turn on the silent mode and we turn it off. And also the third way how you can do that, you just should hold for a while your power key button, and here you got the silent mode section, just tap there, and as can you see, where our sound is off, silent mode is turned on, and now just we'll turn it off. So our silent mode is turned off. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.